the world's most intelligent Bluetooth-enabled touch remote controller. Introducing Litzero. Litzero is exceptionally light and compact, weighing only 0.7 ounces and 2 inches thick. The size of a device is considered the most critical factor in smart device remote controllers. With its extremely space-efficient size and feather-like weight, it's portable like no other. Control your smart devices anywhere, at any time, hassle-free. Control your smart device's music and videos. Control the pages of your ebooks and online comic books. The most optimized page controlling function for presentations like keynotes, PowerPoints, etc. If you would like to use your controller as a mouse, no problem. The mouse mode has got you covered. Just simply double-click the device. Scroll your pages up and down. Or even answer or hang up your phone calls. Bring Litzero into your daily lives. Controlling with perfection.
Bluetium is a company with only one goal in mind: mastering the technology related to touches in smart devices. From our first patent back in 2017, we have achieved about 7 touch-related technology patents and a wearable patent. Litzero is the ultimate device equipped with all the following technologies: an extremely sensitive touch sensor, able to sense approximately over 80 touches per second. An internal battery, providing up to 3 days of usage time with just 1 hour of charging. And with the application of Bluetooth 4.2, it provides an extremely pleasant experience without any connections from breaking away. By designing the touch directional keys in Braille, Litzero provides a sense of convenience, and by implementing sustainable designs for the visually challenged. Bluetium is a business supporting those considered as the underprivileged in our society. And now Bluetium is taking its first step on Kickstarter. Take control of your life to perfection with Litzero.